In this video, Christian's going to show you how you can replace the front brake pads and rotors on a 2018 Ram 3500 dually.
Okay, so we're going to start off by taking the wheel off so that we can do the rotors and pads. I'm going to start off by getting the cover off. Normally isn't that hard on there. Then we got 22 mils to take out. Oh, okay. So we're gonna start off. I have a 1/2-inch gun. I have a 1/8 adapter on there because it makes it easier to go through the holes. So what you get is a 21 mil. You put the 21 mil in there and just zap them out. So you take all the bolts out. This piece right here just pops out. So we're gonna start by decompressing the caliper. Taking all the pressure off so that when we put it back on, it just slides right in. You can also use a U-clamp. Those are big vice grips. Once you got that off, get a 16 mil and just zap the caliper off. Put this aside right here. After that, just take the old stuff out. Grab a 24 mil. Zap the bracket off. So you take the bracket off, rotors just slide off. Grab the new rotor, slide that in. I like to put this piece back on because it centers the rotor for me. You can either put the rotors and pads and the bracket back on and then do this, or you can do it before. Bolts. Zap that in. Zap that in. After that, depending on the brake pads that you get, it either comes with new hardware or it doesn't. This one does, so I'm going to replace all the hardware. that. Grab your caliper. Hope that you decompressed it enough to slide it on. Looks like I did. Grab your 16 mil again. Zap him in lightly. After you're done, just put the wheel back on. Alrighty.